Hello, class. It's me again, Christy Borders. I'm a little late to the game. I actually got kicked out for a couple of days, lost access to the class, but I'm back and ready to go. My youngest sister got married over the weekend, so it's been a couple busy days around here. I've got three girls. They were flower girls for the wedding. My oldest is finishing up fifth grade. My middle is finishing up third, and my baby is finishing up first grade. We've got a couple, 10 days left. They're done on the 15th. Got three classes to go for this MBA, done in November, so I'm really looking forward to that. I assume I've had most of you in class at some point in the last year. So pretty darn excited that we're nearing the end. When I am not at work or playing with my kids, well, for work, I do work for Frito-Lay. I'm a district manager for them. It's a division of PepsiCo. It's a pretty great job. It takes care of my girls and me. From an ethical standpoint, I currently have a boss that I think does some unethical things. One being that he invites HR to absolutely everything that we do. And I think it's just he wants to have a good relationship with them. But I've never worked for a company where HR is invited to everything. So there's that. But many times he has commented on how I am a woman and I'm too competitive and working for a sales business. I just don't understand that that's a thing. I asked him to ask me or give me a moment where being too competitive has hindered my job. And he basically said, well, that one time we went to Top Golf and you beat all of the boys, as if that wasn't okay. And since then, he said he comments often about, if I'm actually at work or if I'm golfing. I never golf. So it was just, I'm an athlete by trade. So I was able to just do well there. We went axe throwing. I ended up beating him at the axe throwing, and so he didn't like that either. And so just felt really threatened. And he said, all right, I'm going to figure out a way to beat you. Let's have a push-up contest right now. So we did that, and I got about 40 plus in. He dropped like a fly after 20, and he like tore some stuff in his shoulder. So anyway, that I think is pretty unethical that, can't possibly have a woman beat him at anything. And aside from that, I do love to run. I compete for USA TF in the Masters division. I represented Team USA a couple months ago in Poland at the World Championship meet, and I ended up winning gold. I was on the 4x200 meter relay team, and then my main event is hurdles. I got sixth in the hurdles, and I usually long jump, but I was battling an injury. So I think that's everything that I needed to cover. I'm really looking forward to, in this class, just being able to compare companies more fully, like from a financial standpoint, understanding, their cash flow, basic probability or profitability issues that might come up, and risk analysis concepts. I think all of those things combined, I'm just really looking forward to that. I have a very analytical mind, and so I imagine that this class will be probably one of my favorites. So thanks for bearing with me in my intro, and I look forward to seeing you all soon or hearing from you soon. All right, bye.